Wemily Gamahati constituency ba Charles Marngar ula kerpat eka sorkar lengba ke ying dorbar thau ain ke jela haka general discussion on budget kapala long haka shipho tarik luber hajar arposan ban yerap kershan pisalem lengba ka mangtingka jungusnem hajar arposan hadu arpun riu na kabenta ban pun urlong yeki katu katni kimat badan kam Kimat yatai baningkong kilong halor gijing jong kinong rap sansar henrei ula ai kublei ye gajing shimkhia ka sorkar jilla banthau daka procurement and aggregation scheme lengba ka Meghalaya State Agriculture Board ka banlong ka jingben toy shikipai ba nong rap khamtam shiki nong shong shnong jong ka mahoti constituency ki bajupni bun bha yote uchait marrem ulo ongru bakidon ki sha tenrai ki balengba ka scheme SRWP scheme kala shem shitom ban kershan ki jait shat tenrai ki bajudan hari boy ki don kam ban yo ikajin kershan pisa lengba ka sorkar ban pen bha shushu yaki ulai thuru bakila don ki jaka bapau baki bakongsan hakishnong kabawati constituency baki badon kam ban yo ikajin rap na ka sorkar ban penlong yaki kum ki jaka jungo kai perthei kum ka shnong yamkhon ka weini ki shnong bala yo nam kum ka shnong ka bakhuitam hari boy district bat ka bala yo priang ru ika khusnam na ka office u deputy commissioner ka ribhoy district haki postnam balala board nang ta sa ka wi ka krem bala tip kum ka krem lemben ka kshait ba itanan ha ka shnong marathon ka viewpoint ha lights year bala bani I ki jaka them ba itiang ka shnong tersu bat kli stem ka bala bani I wat shadu maurang kanang ki badoni ki khana puriskam bat kumju ru kawa khen ka badoni ka dur oshrong jong hati klau khadu ula kerpat ban penmang ban ai madan yele kai bol kawe hakashnong nongjri kum kadak ban ai jing ai sob ha shakawe ni kin hun yele kai ki khna rin ki bala wanra ai kanam ladu dangshan hakasugruto kom ha Bengaluru kata ka nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to take part on the general discussion, budget 2025-2026.
Yes, please try to be brief, please.
Yes, sir, I will be very specific, but sir, I have given my name last Friday.
Yes, I know.
You have given time to the honorable member, each member 15 to 20 minutes. I hope that you will give me some more time.
No, not that.
Before I begin discussion, the budget speech, sir, presented by our Honorable Chief Minister, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the Chief Minister for his tireless efforts in visiting various places across the state to personally hear the issues and concerns faced by our beloved people, particularly at the grassroots level. In my lifetime, I've never seen a Chief Minister interacted with people at the grassroots level as an Honorable Chief Minister did last year. As our Chief Minister mentioned in his budget speech, merely sitting in an office and listening the people's problem through memorandums is not sufficient. I am confident that through direct interaction with the people, our Chief Minister have understood the real issue, and I trust that he will address the needs and challenges faced by our citizens effectively. Coming to agriculture, sir, let me talk about agriculture. As a local MLA representing a constituency that produces a large quantity of broomstick, I must express my gratitude to the government. We all know the market price of broomstick, but through the procurement and aggregation scheme under the Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board, Brome grass has been aggregated from farmers through farmers, collectives, and individual aggregation at a fixed price above the prevailing market price. This initiative has provided much needed support to our farmers. Therefore, I thank the government for taking the first crucial step in responding to the cries of our farmers in the state. However, Mr. Speaker, sir, for the benefit of our Brome State farmers, I would like to offer a suggestion that I raised in my motion during the last session, namely the establishment of skilled industries. This would provide farmers with additional benefits and opportunities to add value to the produce. Coming to arts and culture, sir, I'm happy to see that the government is encouraging our people to preserve and promote our tradition and culture in our state. However, I must be frank, preserving and promoting our culture and traditions is a difficult task without special sanctioning from the government. The members cannot manage this with only the SRWP schemes allocated for such initiatives. We should thank God that our state is very rich in culture and tradition. Be Khasi, Jantia, and Garo. In Ribhoi district, sir, for example, we have 8 to 9 traditional dance, like Shat Chok Kaba, Shat Malangho, and Kunjuk Kantay, Shat Pulangka, Shat Kruk Sing, Shat Lakampong, Shat Lukmi of Namsha, Shat Tayang, Nongtung, and Terso, and Krut Kaba, and Langhei. To you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I urge the government to seriously consider giving special fund for this Hima Ilaka and right to support the traditional annual celebration. Coming to Social Welfare Department, sir, regarding this welfare of our special friends, peoples with disabilities, the government has done commendable work through Chief Minister's scheme, providing special financial assistance of rupees 750 rupees per month. The government has also provided scholarship for the students with disabilities. However, sir, I have been informed that the government has appointed only 4 or 5 CBRN and 1 MRW in each block. Considering that each block has 100 plus villages, it is extremely difficult for such a small team to provide adequate support to our special friends in our society. People often approach the local MLAs for assistance due to the shortage of manpower. Therefore, sir, I urge the government to address this issue by increasing the manpower and ensuring that all special friends in our state benefit from the scheme provided by the government. Through you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I humbly request our Chief Minister to continue pursuing this matter with the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Point number 5, sir, I have 2 more points. Tourism Department. I'm pleased to see that the Government of Meghalaya, through the Tourism Department, I'm pleased to see the growth of Tourism under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister and the guidance of the Minister in charge, Tourism. However, sir, I would like to bring to your kind attention a village in my constituency, Yamkhon village, which is one of the cleanest villages in Ribhoi district.
Honorable
It has
member,
even been,
try to wind up.
just 1
Yes.
minute, sir. It has even been awarded recognition by the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi district in recent years. Additionally, sir, my constituency is home to several remarkable tourism spots, such as Krem Limbit, the waterfall at Maurutut village, viewpoint at Lightsiar and Klimstem, and the Umkhen River, which features a stone shaped like an elephant. In light of these attractions, I kindly urge the government to consider recognizing some of these sites as official tourism destinations. Sir, regarding education in my constituency, we currently have only one higher secondary school, that is St. Vianney's Higher Secondary School. This is a pressing need for more educational infrastructure to cater the growing demand. Additionally, sir, we require 1 or 2 well-equipped playgrounds in the constituency. A great way to
Honorable
commemorate.
member, please try to
Just
wind up.
1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute, sir. Very important point. A great way to commemorate this would be to provide such facilities as a gift to the champion team of the 63rd edition of the Super Cup International Football Tournament for sub-junior boys under 15 held in Bangalore in 2024. The Nongri Presbyterian Secondary School, which represented Meghalaya, was the proud winner of this prestigious tournament. As the chairman of the school, sir, school managing committee, I strongly believe this would be a fitting tribute to the achievement, sir.
Finish.
This reward, sir, I once again thank you for allowing me to take part on this general discussion of the budget 2024 and 2025 and 2026. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you once again. With these few words, I resume my seat. Thank you.